Hello children, welcome to science class. See, as you know that nutrition in animal lesson number 2 explanation is over. Now in this video I am going to explain textbook exercise. So first fill in the blanks. The main steps of digestion in human are dash, 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 dash and dash. Here you have to write the steps of digestion. Steps of digestion, as you know, that ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Now fill in the blanks. 2. The largest gland in the human body is dash. Largest gland in the human body, by explanation I told you, liver is the largest gland in the human body. Now, third, the stomach release hydrochloric acid and dash juice which act on food. See that many digestive juices act on that many juices secreted by the different glands. So the stomach release hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act in food. Now D, the inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowth called dash. See that in inner wall of the intestine some finger-like, or we can say that hair-like outgrowths are there and they are called villi. Amoeba digests food in the food vacuoles because amoeba is a single cell animal and it does not have different organs, different systems only, so that amoeba digests its foods in the food vacuoles. After that, true false. First, digestion of starch start in the stomach, that is false. Second, the tongue helps in mixing food with saliva, that is true. So whenever we eat any hard or any dry things, that when we chew, after chewing it becomes soft only. So why? Because that saliva also get mixed with it, and tongue helps to food move in our mouth. So we can say that tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. Now see, the gallbladder temporarily stores bile, that is true. So that liver secrete bile and bile is stored in a gallbladder. The ruminant bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it or for some time, that is again true. Ruminants means cud chewing animal. So when you see that cud chewing animal, when they sit, even they are not eating, then also they continuously chewing only. Why? Because when they eat grass, they swallow grass very quickly, and whenever they get time again they bring back that partially chewed grass into their mouth and chew it again. Now tick mark the correct answer in each of the following. First, fat is completely digested in the, here 4 options are given: stomach, mouth, small intestine and large intestine. So that correct option is small intestine. It means fat is completely digested in the small intestine. Then match the following. First, carbohydrate with sugar, protein, amino acid and fat convert into fatty acid and glycerol. What are villi and what is their location and function? Again, that first only in fill in the blanks only I told you that the inner wall of the small intestine has some thousands of finger like outgrowths, and they are called villi, and villi are located in the small intestine. It means that inner wall of small intestine. And what is the work of villi? The villi increase the surface area of the for the absorption of the digested food. So where is the bile produced and which component of the food does it digest? So you know that bile produced by the liver, and it is temporarily stored in the gallbladder. And bile juice digest fat. Name the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not the human being. So you know that generally ruminants are herbivorous animal. No, they eat only plant and plant product, grass, like that only. So in that raw grass and in raw plant products, it is full of cellulose only, and cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. So this can be digested by the ruminant but not by the human. Why? Because ruminant have a large sac-like structure called rumen. In their stomach, only one extra organ is there. This is rumen, and the cellulose is digested here by the action of some bacteria, which are not present in human. So why do get instant energy from the glucose? And for that also see that whatever we eat, finally it will convert in glucose only, and after that blood carry this glucose to all cells of the body, and oxygen break down this glucose and energy will release. So after digestion process will get energy, but glucose is the simplest form of carbohydrate. So it does not need to digest, can say. It does not need to digest. So glucose can be broken easily to give energy. So that's why glucose give instant energy. So which part of the digestive canal is involved in? First, absorption of food in small intestine, chewing of food in buccal cavity, killing of bacteria in stomach, complete digestion of food in small intestine, and formation of feces in large intestine. So write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and nutrition in human being. So in similarity, that both amoeba and human being use digestive juices to digest food. That is now the stomach also in human stomach release digestive juices, and in amoeba also that food vacuole. So now difference that human have full chew food and that digestive system only, their organs are there, but in amoeba is a single cell animal, it does not have any that digestive system. Everything will done by one cell only. So human needs to chew food, but whereas amoeba there is no chewing. That is the difference. So can we survive only on raw or leafy vegetables? So again that no, because of that when live a healthy life, we need to complete balanced diet. That complete balanced diet of all nutrients to now raw green vegetables may have as I told you, it have cellulose, and which cannot be digested by a human, cannot digest by us. So only green leafy vegetables will not solve the problem, can say. Match the following: salivary gland, saliva secretion, then stomach acid release, hydrochloric acid, then liver bile juice secretion, rectum release of feces, then small intestine digestion is completed, and large intestine here absorption of water. After that label the digestive system. The digestive system is given in your textbook also. From that textbook you can draw this. Here some extra questions also given. Which are the instant source of energy? That this glucose. Now name the juice secreted by salivary gland, that is saliva. Name the various types of teeth: the incisors, canine, premolar and molar. Write the full form ORS, oral rehydration solution. name the widest part of the alimentary canal, that is stomach. And what is tongue? So tongue is a fleshy muscular organ, and it is attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity and free at the bottom. And its functions are: it helps to swallow the food, it can move the food at all direction in the mouth, and it helps detect different tastes. It helps to speak also. And what do you mean by rumen? The grass eating animals are called rumen. It means that cud chewing animal, they quickly swallow the grass and store it in the separate part of the stomach, and this is called rumen. So what are digestive enzymes? Enzymes are the secretions secreted by the different glands, various glands like liver, pancreas, salivary gland. So these enzymes helps in the digestion of various food. It means different food. And in food some components are there. So components like carbohydrates, proteins, and some important enzymes are pepsin, trypsin, and lipase. After that, write the three component and their function of juice secreted by the inner wall of the stomach. So the inner wall of the stomach secretes the following components. First is mucus, then second is hydrochloric acid, and third is digestive juices. So mucus protect the lining of the stomach. Then hydrochloric acid makes that medium of the stomach is acidic, and it kills the germs. And digestive juices, they helps in break protein into simple substances. Now explain the various type of teeth in human beings. So you know that in human being 4 types of teeth are there: incisors, canine, premolar, and molar. Incisors are it means they are 2 in number and helps to cut and bite, while canine, they are 4 in number and they keep piercing and tearing. Premolar, they are number in 4 and helps in chewing and grinding. And molar also, they are 6 in number and also helps in chewing. How does food move to opposite direction during vomiting? So food pushed, first of all, food pushed into the stomach only, by the from food pipe to the stomach. After some time, what happened that stomach is not accepted accept that food. It means we can say that food is not accepted by the stomach, and some fine instead of going downwards, it will go upwards. It means in opposite direction, and food comes out as a vomiting. So why does a doctor put glucose drip to patient has just been operated? That means I told you that because glucose does not need any digestion. It gives instant energy. Whatever we eat, it finally it will convert into glucose only, and glucose is break down by the oxygen and energy will release. So without chewing, we get an instant energy from the glucose. That's why doctor put glucose drip to the patient who has been operated. Okay students, so here our second lesson is over. So from after this, I will send you this PDF of lesson number 2. From this PDF, you can write textbook exercise and extra questions in your CW. Okay, so we'll meet you in next video. Thank you.